Hello, students. How are you? I hope all of you will be safe at your home. I understand that everything that I told you so far must have been understood by you. Dear students, our today's topic is career option physical education. At first, we will discuss about teaching related careers. Students, physical education offers teaching career to the people with physical education academic qualification like CPED, BPED, BPE, MPED, and MPhil in schools, colleges, and universities. There is a great demand of physical education teachers. Physical education teachers are appointed in government, private, and public schools. They are required to teach both theory and practicals. They are also required to prepare various teams for inter-school sport competitions. In colleges and universities, there are various job opportunities for the teachers. Students, elementary school level. In India, there is no career opportunity for physical education teachers in elementary schools. Generally, the teachers of other subjects who are not specialized in physical education teach physical activities. This is the main drawback in India. Owing to this, Indians are lagging behind in the field of sport at world level. Our next point is middle school level. In government middle schools, there are rare opportunities of employment for physical education teachers. Although the subjects of physical education is offered in such schools, but it is implemented in an informal ways. Next point is high school and senior secondary school. Generally, there are a number of opportunities for job in the field of physical education in government and private public high schools. It is a common practice throughout the secondary to engage special teacher of physical education in senior secondary schools. In some schools, literatures lecturers in physical education are appointed to teach theory classes. Our next point is college and university. There are many job opportunities to teach physical education in college and universities. Physical education is an optional subject in colleges. There are various professional courses in physical education in number of colleges such as certificate course in physical education CPED, diploma course in physical education DPED, bachelor degree in physical education BPED, certificate course in yoga BSc in physical education and sports. Now we will discuss about the coaching related careers in physical education. Dear students, here is a lot of coaching related careers in physical education. Administration related careers. Administration related careers opportunities are available in various fields such as administration, management of sport club and faculties, sport marking and promotion, etc. Next, physical education department. Students, there are many universities and some colleges in India where various courses of physical education are being run. In such departments, the administration lies in the hands of chairman of head. He is the sole administrator of the teaching department. Students, sport department in physical education. Sorry, coaching related careers in sport department. Students, there are many job opportunities related to administration in sport department. Director sports, assigned assistant director of sport, district sport officer, it means DSO, and assistant education officer. means AEO. The responsibility for the administration of various programs of games and sport is of the director of sport. Students, our next coaching related career is industrial recreation. Nowadays, many multinational companies and national companies are providing recreational and sport opportunities for their employees. These companies lay stress on the health, fitness, and well being of their employees. The reason for this is that healthy and fit employees usually have more capacity to do work. They can increase the production, which is in the benefit to companies. So these companies need qualified professionals to direct these activities. Our next and final point is sport faculty management. Many peoples and various organizations want to have sport facilities where they can do exercise to maintain health and fitness. They want to get facility to of health clubs, gymna- gymnasium, fitness center, sport complexes, stadium, and swimming pools. If faculties managers are required in such fields. Dear students, now we will discuss about health related careers. Just look. Health related careers, health clubs, athletic trainings. Dear students, during the last 20 years, there has been a rapid increase in the awareness of health. Nowadays, people have become more health conscious. They want to be healthy and fit. They want to stay away from the various diseases such as hypertension, heart disease, and disorders like obesity, disabilities, etc. They have realized the value of health. Everyone wants to lead a healthy lifestyle. That is why healthy related careers opportunities in the gyms and athletic trainings. Students, now we will discuss about performance related careers. Performance related careers are also expanding in India. These careers are given below. As professional player, in various games and sports, large number of players take part. They take part at various levels like inter-school and or college level, district level competitions, state level competitions, national competitions, international level, etc. Only the highly skilled performers reach the top. Those sport persons who are most successful in competitions mostly choose sport careers. In India, good sport career is available in cricket, lawn tennis, etc. In public and private sectors, many jobs are also available for skilled sport persons. Next, as official. The smooth conduct of the sport tournament or competitions depends upon good officials. There are various officials in a tournament such as referee, umpire, timekeeper, recorder, scorer, etc. Many former sport persons turn to officiating as a full-time professional career after school sport careers. Dear students, now we will discuss about career in communication and media. Here is the first point, sport journalism. The sport journalism may get opportunities to work with newspapers and in sport magazines because the space for coverage of sport news as well as the number of newspapers and sport magazines is increasing rapidly. Sport journalists may write live events and features articles about sport persons or on various topics about sport. Next point is sport photography. Dear students, sport photography is another career which can be pursued by physical educators, but this career is befitting only to those physical educators who have a keen interest in photography and a strong desire to communicate to public the true meaning of sports. Now, next point is book publication. Publishers of books on sports and textbooks of physical education, it is clippiness and applied subjects such as health, education, and recreation to need physical education experts. Our next point is sport broadcasting. Dear students, sport broadcasting has become a popular career. Career opportunities may be found with radio and television stations, including cable television at local, regional, and national level. Sport broadcasting requires not only the knowledge of the game but also the ability to communicate clearly. The persons interested in this field need to be interested in this field need to be acquainted with this skill. Dear students, now we will discuss about competition in various sport at national and international level. Students, national level at A level at which an athlete participates representing his state in the nation in a nationwide competitions where multiple states participates. It means uh, that competition in which all states participate with for victory, and international levels a level at which an athlete participates representing his nation in a worldwide competition where multiple countries participates. Dear students, here is the uh, steps to reach international level. First, dist- at first district level. If you want to reach international level, then you can join the district level team. After that, if you will perform there well, then you will be selected in state level. And the performance of state levels, then you can select in national level, and after that you will be selected international level. Dear students, some games and their national and international level sporting events. Athletics, National Athletic Championship, World Athletics Championship, Asian Games and Olympics, National and World School Games. Next game is Taekwondo, National Taekwondo Championship, World Taekwondo Championship, Olympics, South Asian Games, Cricket, Aces Cup, World Cup, Ranji Trophy, Football, FIFA Cup, Olympics, Federation Cup. Next is tennis, Devas Cup, Australia Open, Olympics. And here is some traditional sports. In addition to international sport, India still retains some traditional local sports. Among them are kabaddi, kho-kho, pehlwani, etc. Dear students, our next topic is Khelo India programs. The Khelo India programs has been introduced to revive the sport culture in India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sport played in our country and to establish India as a great sporting nation. A, dear students, Khelo India programs is launched in 2018 by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport. Abilities, there are two categories were made as per the ages of the participants, under 17 and under 21. Under 17s like as 10th class level, and under 21 it is the here is the students of 12th classes. Dear students, there is the key features of Khelo India programs. 2 million children in the age groups of 10 to 18 years to undergo physical fitness drives. PAN Indian Sport Scholarship Scheme to cover 1,000 young athletes each year. Selected athletes to get scholarship of Rs 5 lakh per year for 8 years. Promote 20 universities across countries as hubs of sporting excellence. Rs 1756 crore allocated. Dear students, now we will discuss about objectives of Khelo India programs. Students, there are a lot of objectives for Khelo India programs to enable the sportsman to pursue both studies and sports, forming active population with healthy lifestyle to impact the whole of sport esteem, to engage youth living in deprived and disturbed areas into sporting activities, encouraging youth in nation building. So these were the objectives of Khelo India program. Dear students, here is 12 components included in the Khelo India scheme. First, playfield development. Second, community coaching development. Third, state level Khelo India centers. Fourth, annual sport competitions. Fifth, talent search and development. Sixth, utilization and creation of sport infrastructure. Seventh, support to nation, regional, state sport academies. Eighth, physical fitness of school going children. Ninth, sport for women. 10th, promotion of sport among persons with disabilities. 11th, sport for peace and development. 12th, promotion of rural and tribal games. Dear students, this is the end of class and it is the last of your first chapter, changing trends and careers in physical education.